Project name is key and their types. Introduction. In mechanical engineering, a key is a machine element used to connect a rotating machine element to a shaft. The key prevent relative rotation between the two parts and may enable torque transition. For a key to function, the shaft and rotating machine element must have a keyway and a key ist, which a slot and pocket in which the key fits. The whole system is called a key joint. Commonly, key components include gears, pulleys, couplings, and washers. Types of keys. There are five types of keys: sun keys, woodruff keys, tangent keys, spline key, and Boching keys. A brief introduction. In mechanical engineering, a key is a machine element used to connect a rotating machine element to a shaft. The keys prevent relative rotation between the two parts and may enable torque transition. For a key to function, the shaft and rotating machine element must have a keyway and key it, which is slot and pocket in which the key fits. The whole system is called a key's joint. Commonly key components includes gear, pulley, couplings, and washers. There are keys. There are main five keys: sun keys, woodruff key, tangent key, spring key, Boching key. Sun keys. A sun key is a key in which half the thickness of the key fits into the key on the shaft. The remaining half in the key way on their her. Therefore, keys are required both on the shaft as well as the her of the matting element. There are two types of matting element. There are two types of saddle keys: square sun keys, rectangular sun keys. Use. Square keys are used in general industrial machinery. Rectangular keys, flat keys, are more suitable for mashing tools. Saddle keys. A saddle key is a key which fits in the keyway of the hub only. In this case, there is no keyways on the shaft. It is likely to slip round the shaft under load. Therefore, it is used for comparatively light loads. There are two types of saddle keys: hollow saddle keys, flat saddle keys. Use. Resist edge to slip in case of flat keys is strictly more than that of hollow keys. 2. Saddle keys are suitable for light duty or low power transmission. Woodruff keys. A woodruff key is the adjustable sun key is the form of an almost semicircular disc on uniform thickness. The key requires a circular type of keyway in the shaft. It can be used with the tapered shaft because it engages itself in the set. The larger depth of keyway prevent the tendency of key to slip over the shaft, but it weakens the shaft more than that by the use of strength keys. Use. woodruff keys are used to improve the consistency of the shaft for high-speed operation. The main advantage is eliminating making a key when near ears that have stress. The material of woodruff keys like steel and stainless steel can be operated only online, but they can be found made of their thickness like aluminium. Tangent key. Tangent keys are used in heavy duty equipment. Tangent keys are actually a pair. The pair of keys are placed right angles to each other and tangent to the surface of the shaft as shown in the figure. Each key will withstand the torsion on in a use of tangent keys. Tangent keys are used in high torque heavy duty applications. The keyway is similar to a parallel key extend tangentially out of the external shaft into the internal shaft. The keys may be bent, rectangular or square shafted, but particularly rectangular double taper keys are used. Spilling keys. Spilling are ridges or teeth on a drive shaft that mesh with grooves in a mating piece and transfer torque to it, machining the angular correspondence between them. An alternative to spilling in is keyway and key. The spillings provide a longer fatigue life, can carry significantly greater torques for the size use of spilling keys. The spilling play multiple supporting role in the body. It acts as a filter for blood as part of the immune system. Old red blood cells are recycled in the spleen, implanted and white blood cells and stored there. The spleen also helps fight certain kind of bacteria that cause and many broaching keys. Keys setting, also known as keyway broaching, is a machining process in which internal shafts and frames are cut using a reciprocating single point cutting tool similar to the shaping process used to broaching keys. The broaching process, similar to shaping with multiple teeth, is used to machine internal and external surface such as holes of circular, square or irregular shape. Keyway and teeth are internal gears. A broach is a long multi-tooth cutting tool with successfully deeper cut. Actual procedure. First of all, we asked our project guide about our project. We went in cyber cafe for college the information. Then we started the making of project. Then we took all information about our project. We collect all information about key and their types. We went in cyber cafe for printing the our project report. Conclusion: we have discussed about key and their types. We deeply study about this topic. We very well know about keys and their types. We learn uses of keys in mechanical field, skill development, teamwork, leadership, information technology, confidence increases in ourselves, team pre- preparation, skill in process. Reference: manufacturing process book, second RK Rajput reference book. Thank you.